In the first half-century of container handling, a time of booming growth, the port industry has moved through many transitions. From the early years of container lashing to today's separating, telescopic, load-sensing, smart spreaders, change has been a constant as ports have pushed to move more cargo more efficiently. Today, change is in the air again, as more ports on every continent are studying and in some cases adopting automated operations. As with so many evolutions of the past, Bromma is again at the leading edge of this transition to a new era in container handling.
We have been saying for some time now that automation will be part of our future, but the future has now arrived. Today we have at Bromma more than 300 yard spreaders already in service or on order in automated terminals. This is not something still on the horizon, this is happening now.
The future is now, as automated terminals are now in service or preparing to launch on nearly every continent of the globe. In all, 300 Bromma spreaders are today in service or on order in automated container handling terminals. One of the oldest and most successful automated terminals in service today is the Container Terminal Altenwerder facility in Hamburg, Germany. Part of the KHALIFA organization, one of the busiest ports in Europe, CTA first opened in 2002. After vessel discharging by semi-automated double trolley gantry cranes, driverless AGVs without human guidance but assisted by more than 19,000 transponders installed on the yard plot the fastest route possible to their destination on the yard. Rail-mounted gantry cranes, featuring Bromma yard spreaders, then complete the loading operation.
CTA was built as a complete new terminal, so we had the chance to take the best single solutions, put them together for the high automated level we see today here at CTA.
One of the most important decisions that any automated terminal makes is the choice of spreader. While the spreader is only a very small part of the total cost of an automated operation, the total operation depends on the reliability of the spreader.
An automated terminal is the last place you want to experiment with a spreader. Any unreliability in the spreader will totally disrupt an automated operation. This is why Bromma is doing so well with these projects. Companies making big investments want reliable partners with proven products. At Bromma, we understand the operational issues in an automated environment, since we have worked with so many of these projects over the past decade.
In 2006, we invited Bromma to a partnership project to optimize the spreaders at CTA. This was very successful and we could raise the operation time of spreader between failures significantly. And a lot of the single optimizations find its way to the standard design of Bromma spreaders.
While terminals such as CTA use hydraulic spreaders, other automated operations such as KHALIFA in Abu Dhabi have chosen GREENLINE all-electrics. Bromma green spreaders are in many ways ideally suited for automated operations. They're more certifiably reliable, as Bromma now has more than 2,000 all-electrics in service. They're lighter, so crane fuel consumption is lower. They're quieter and built of clean Swedish steel, with just 1/10 the emissions of dirtier steel, and environmentally safer.
Most automated customers know that Bromma has the greenest spreaders. Yet the great thing in this case is that what's good for the environment is also good for business. They are green and they cost less to operate. For an automated terminal, going green is really a win-win.
Yet for all the benefits of green spreaders, what automated terminals want most is day-in, day-out reliability. They need a spreader that will show up for work every day and never take a break. And this too is where Bromma makes a difference.
It's one thing to win your first order. It's another thing to win repeated orders. Bromma spreaders are more reliable, and reliability is something that is very important for automated terminals. This is why we have been specified by 13 automated terminals and have supplied more than 300 spreaders to these terminals.
This focus on reliability is also the driving force behind two new Bromma Green Zone apps called Fleet Doctor and Roadmap. Bromma Roadmap, for maintenance and operations managers, analyzes spreader fault history to give preventive maintenance a strategic focus. It helps terminals understand where they are and get where they want to go. Fleet Doctor, on the other hand, monitors spreader functions to detect deterioration or deceleration in performance. It delivers very specific diagnostic information, thereby speeding repair, preventing changeouts, and accelerating a return to normal operations.
Even the best spreader needs a good maintenance program. Automated terminals have very high reliability requirements, so they especially need best-in-class fleet maintenance. This is why Fleet Doctor and Roadmap are such important additions to our automated terminal support package.
For more than 50 years, Bromma has been at the forefront of technical leadership in container handling. Today, in the new era of automation, Bromma is at the forefront again, with the right products and the right service processes at the right time.
On the new frontier of automation, our ambition remains the same: to support our customers move with you in partnership. In automation, Bromma, the innovation leader in spreaders, is committed to add value in our solutions that enables your success.
The right solutions at the right time. Bromma.